Hey, and welcome back to my channel. This is Alethea, and I'd like to thank you for tuning in for another video. Now, truth be told, I'm not one of those girls that like a bunch of frilly curls in my hair. However, if you'd like to see me go from this to this, then please continue to watch. Okay, so I actually just shampooed my hair a couple of days ago, and for this hairstyle I am using the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils Wrap Me foaming mousse. According to the bottle, it says it creates soft wraps, defines curls, and tames frizz, and it's for all hair types. Now check this out. I went 3 weeks and 2 days without shampooing my hair. That is the longest time that I've went without shampooing my hair since I've had my Sisterlocks. However, let's just be honest, I was being a bit lazy. So with that being said, today is actually Christmas Eve. Well, the day that I did this hairstyle, it was Christmas Eve. It was the day before, and it was the day before Christmas. I'm not going to redo this voiceover, so if I make a mistake, oh well, just forgive me. It's early in the morning. So anyway, I would just like to say, I bring that up just to say I would like to wish you and your family a happy holidays no matter what holiday you celebrate. So with that being said, I just took my hair and I parted it in small sections, parted it with my fingers in small sections, and put enough Lotta Body in there to where it would saturate my hair to my liking, and making sure that I paid special attention to my ends because my ends are still loose and curly. So once I twisted, I just twisted my hair all the way down to the ends, and I just kind of did the twirl thing like I used to do as a loose natural, just to get the ends, you know, curled up and tight and things without me having to put some type of rod or something on there. So that's pretty much what I did throughout my whole entire head. Okay, so it's the next day, right? And y'all know how it goes in YouTube land. I slept with this slap cap on. I got up, I put on my makeup with this slap cap on and everything. Well, no, seriously, just kidding though. I did sleep with my slap cap on, but I did get up the next morning and I did my edges and then I laid them down and I put my slap cap back on for the purposes of this video. Yes, for the purposes of this video. So unlike when I had loose natural hair, when I would do a twist out, I would put oils on my fingers before I took my twist out down. However, considering the fact that I have these Sisterlocks, I did not do that. I just took each section down and I just went to basically fluffing my hair until I got my curls the way that I wanted them to be. Now, I've done a twist out before without using the Lotta Body and I don't have this many curls in my hair. However, the Lotta Body helps to bring the curls out, so it just takes a moment to, I just had to take a moment to fluff and get these curls just like I wanted them to be. And when I tell you guys, it was so cute to me. And like I said at the beginning, I'm actually not a fan of a bunch of curls in my hair, but this hairdo I can do on a regular basis. So anyway, that is it for this video. I do appreciate you tuning in to watch another one of my videos. Please stay tuned for the end with the slow-mo as well as the photo shoot. Yay! To my new subscribers, thank you so much for coming to my channel. To my oldie but goodies, thank you so much for your continued support. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications so that you'll be notified every time I come back with my new shenanigans. So in the meantime and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.